Dude, now I'm going to do this problem, that is how to find out the area of this one rectangle, area and perimeter of rectangle. If they have given a rectangle in this, length is 1 units and breadth is 2 units, you need to find out what's the area and perimeter of this rectangle. That is, you need to find out what's the area of the rectangle and what's the perimeter of the rectangle. You can find them out. Area of the rectangle can be found out as length times of breadth. That is, here they have given length, which is 1 units, times of, here what they have given is breadth, which is 2 units. 1 times of 2 is 2 units, so 2 square units is the area of this rectangle. Let's find out what is the perimeter of this rectangle. Now you can find it out. Perimeter of the rectangle is 2 times of length plus breadth. That going to become 2 times of, here they have given length, which is 1 units, plus here what they have given is breadth, which is 2 units. 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, so it going to become 2 times of 3, 2 times of 3 is 6, so 6 units is the perimeter. Let's take one more rectangle. Now you're going to get here, in this rectangle they have given the length as 1 units and the breadth as 3 units. You need to find out what's the area and what's the perimeter. You can find it out easily. That is, area of the rectangle is length times of breadth, and you're going to get here, this is the length, which is 1 units, and this is the breadth, which is 3 units. 1 times of 3 is 3 units, so 3 square units is the area of this rectangle. Let's find out what's the perimeter. Perimeter of this rectangle can be found out as 2 times of length plus breadth. That going to give 2 times of, this is the length, which is 1 units, and this is the breadth, which is 3 units, so it is 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 becomes 4, so this thing equal to 2 times of 4. 2 times of 4 becomes 8, so 8 units is the perimeter of this rectangle. Let's take one more rectangle. In this rectangle they have given like this, that is, this side length is equal to 1 units and this side length as 5 units. Here also the same thing, you need to find out what's the area and what's the perimeter. Again, area of the rectangle can be found out as length times of breadth. That going to give rise to, this is length, which is 1 units, times of, this is breadth, which is 5 units. 1 times of 5 is 5, so 5 square units is the area of this rectangle. Now let's find out what's the perimeter. Perimeter of this rectangle is 2 times of length plus breadth. That becomes 2 times of, this is the length, which is 1 units, plus this is the breadth, which is 5 units. Now you can add them out. 1 plus 5 is 6, so 2 times of 6 will give 12 units. So 12 units is the perimeter of this rectangle, and area is 5 square units. Hi, country bunting balls. And let's take one more rectangle. And in this rectangle they have given this side length as 1 units and the breadth as 7 units. Now also you need to find out what's the area and what's the perimeter. And here you can find it out. Area of this rectangle is equal to length times of breadth. Now you're going to get here length, this is the length, which is 1 units, times of, this is the breadth, which is 7 units. 1 times of 7 is 7 units, so the area of this rectangle is 7 square units. Let's find out what's the perimeter. Perimeter is also same way, 2 times of length plus breadth. That is, 2 you need to multiply after adding length and breadth. So here they have given length as 1 unit, breadth as 7 units. It becomes 2 times of 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7 is 8. After adding that, you need to multiply with 2. 2 times of 8, which becomes 16. So 16 units is the perimeter, and the area, which is 7 square units. At last, I take one more rectangle, and in this rectangle, you can take like this. That is, 1 minute. In this rectangle, you can take the length, which is equal to same 1 units, but the breadth is 10 units. Here also you need to find out what's the area and what's the perimeter. Here you can find out area in the same way as length times of breadth. Here the length is same 1 units times of the breadth, which becomes 10 units. So 1 times of 10. 1 times of 10 remains as 10 units. So 10 square units is the area of this rectangle. I'm going to tell about even more shapes. Let's take the next shape, which is rhombus. In rhombus, what is rhombus? First, I'm going to tell. If you take a rhombus, it is a four-sided picture, and all sides of the rhombus are equal. Means all sides of the rhombus going to be 1 units. Now you need to find out what's the perimeter. Perimeter of the rhombus can be found out as 4 times of the side length. Here side length is 1 units. All side lengths are 1 units. So it's going to become 4 times of 1. 4 times of 1 is 4 units. So 4 units is the perimeter of this rhombus. Let's take one more rhombus. And in this rhombus, they have given all sides as 2 units. Here you need to find out what's the perimeter of the rhombus. Now you can find it out what's the perimeter means. Here also you can write it. Perimeter of the rhombus is 4 times of side length. Here also side length is 2 units. So 4 times of 2 units, which becomes 8 units. 8 units is the perimeter of this rhombus. Let's take one more rhombus. And in this rhombus, they have given like this, that is, all sides are equal to 5 units. When all sides are equal to 5 units, you need to find out what's the perimeter. Here also same way, perimeter is 4 times of side length. Side length is 5 units. So it is 4 times of, this is the side length, which is 5 units. 4 times of 5, which is 20 units. So the perimeter is 20 units. Let's take one more rhombus. And in this rhombus, they have given all sides as equal to 7 units. When all sides are 7 units, find out what's the perimeter. You can find it out. Perimeter of the rhombus is 4 times of side length, that is 4 times of, here the side length is 7 units. So the side length is 7 units. It is 4 times of 7 units. 4 times of 7 is 28. The perimeter is 28 units, perimeter of this rhombus. Let's take one more rhombus. And in this rhombus, they have given all sides as equal to 10 units. When all sides are given as 10 units, here also you need to find out what's the perimeter of the rhombus. Perimeter of the rhombus even here is 4 times of side length. Here also the side length is 10 units. So here it becomes 4 times of 10 units. 4 times of 10 is 40. So it's going to become 40 units. Let's take my next picture. The next we're going to take is known as kite. And in this kite, you can find like this. That is, the two sides in kite, two below sides going to be the same length, and the two above sides going to be the same length. Now find out the perimeter of the kite. To find out the perimeter of the kite, you can do like this. That is, perimeter of the kite can be found out as 2 times of sum of different adjacent sides, sum of below side and above side. That is, below side is 1 unit and the above side is 2 units, so it becomes 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3, so 2 times of 3, 2 times of 3 is 6, so 6 units is the perimeter of this rhombus. Let's take another one kite, and in this kite they have given the below sides as 1 units and the above sides as 3 units. Now also you need to find out what's the perimeter. Perimeter of the kite here also the same way, 2 times of sum of below side and above side, that is 1 plus 3. Here 1 plus 3 becomes 4, so 2 times of 4, 2 times of 4 is 8. So 8 units is the perimeter of this kite. Let's take one more kite, and in this kite they have given this thing, that is below sides as 1 units and above sides as 5 units. Here also you need to find out what's the perimeter. Perimeter of this kite is 2 times of sum of below and above side, that is 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is 6, so this is going to become 2 times of 6, which is 12. So 12 units is the perimeter of this kite. Let's take one more kite, and in this kite they have given the below sides as 1 units and above sides as 7 units. Here also you need to find out what's the perimeter. Perimeter of even this kite is 2 times of sum of below and above side, that is 1 plus 7. Below side is 1 units, above side is 7 units. 1 plus 7 is 8, so 2 times of 8, 2 times of 8 is 16, so 16 units is the perimeter of this kite. Let's take another kite, and in this kite they have given like this, that is below sides as 1 units and above sides as 10 units. Here also you need to find out what's the perimeter of the kite, and here you can find it out. Perimeter of the kite as 2 times of sum of below and above side. Below side, which is 1 unit, and above side, which is 10 units. And you're going to get here 1 plus 10 is 11, and 2 times of 11, which becomes 22. This kite area is 22 units. Now I'm going to tell how to find out the area of this trapezium. In trapezium, these two sides going to be parallel, with the above side and the below side, and they're going to give the like this, below parallel side as 2 and above parallel side as 1 unit, and they have given the perpendicular height as 1 units. You need to find out area of this trapezium. You can find it out. Area of the trapezium as half times of this sum of parallel sides, that is this is one parallel side which is 1 units, and this is another parallel side which is 2 units. Now the perpendicular height you need to multiply with it, that is 1 units. 1 plus 2 becomes 3, so it becomes half times of 3 times of 1. You cannot divide 2 and 3, so 3 times of 1 is 3, 3 times of 1 again 3, so it remains 3 above and 2 below. 3 by 2 square units is the area of this trapezium. Let's take one more trapezium, and in this trapezium they have given the base length, one parallel side, the below and above parallel sides as 3 and 1 units. You need to find out area of this trapezium. Here also perpendicular height is 1 units. Area of trapezium can be written as half times of sum of parallel sides, this and this. This side is 1 units and this side is 3 units, so it becomes 1 plus 3 times of the perpendicular height, which is 1 units. 1 plus 3 is 4, so it becomes half times of 4 times of 1. 2 1 times 2, 2 times is 4. 2 times of 1 is 2, again 2 times of 1 is 2. 2 square units is the area of this trapezium. Let's take another one trapezium, and in this trapezium they have given the two parallel sides as 5 and 1 units, and the perpendicular height as also 1 units. Here also find out what's the area of the trapezium. Area of the trapezium can be written as half times of sum of parallel sides. This is one parallel side, this is another parallel side. 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 times of the perpendicular height, which is 1 units. 1 plus 5 becomes 6, So it is half times of 6 times of 1. You can divide 2 1 times, 2 3 times, and 3 times of 1 becomes 3. 1 minute I going to come. Tell the answer in the comment section and I going to come back in the next video. Bye.